Hello, my friends. How are you today? This is Maria here, and today we are going to transform trash into treasures. The other day, I went to the dollar store, and you can't believe what I got. I got 200 grams of paper. Yes, 200 grams of paper in their crafters square. So let's open it. I can't wait to see what I have here. You should see my face when I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw all this pack of paper. I'm going to show you. Look what I have here. I have glitter. I have this with amazing texture. I have this construction paper, cardboard, cardstock. This is very a paper with threads all over the place. I have this white cardstock and look, it's super nice. And the final one or the last one, I fell in love with this paper. This is handmade paper. You can see here all the edges. This is very grungy, and I don't know, I fell in love with this paper. So this is the story of the paper I got at the dollar. But I can tell you also the story of all the trash I have here. The other day I was crafting. Actually, I was recording a video for you guys, and I have all these little pieces around. So I said, I'm not gonna throw them away. I'm gonna do something with them. And you know that I have been creating amazing tags for my journals using actually tags from clothing. So today I'm gonna try to do something with this tree I have here, and I'm going to start with this tiny one here. So the amazing thing is that you can sometimes just leave the color, the original color, as in this case, and then just cover the brand, or if you like some words of the brand, you just can just leave the words there. And I was doing also another video. I was recording another video for you, and I had all these leftovers of threads. It's an interesting video about twigs and little sticks for your spines in your journals, so don't miss those, okay? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna start like applying glue. It's the first thing we need to do, and then we're gonna create on top of this tiny label. Actually, it's actually tiny. So I'm gonna just apply the glue, and I'm gonna start creating something on top of this. So I have these pieces, I have this tiny piece. So I'm gonna start with this brown piece that is almost the size of the tag. You can always cut around, and the little hole, we want to punch it again as soon as we finish. I'm going to give it some gold touch like so, and I'm going to go with this 36 that I like. I like this number, so I can go here. I had also 35, but I will go with a 36. I'm gonna place it on top of here, probably there, so I can cover that part. And I can see here like tiny faces on this one. I can probably have them around here, and probably the 36 is going to go in the back. Let me see, or around this corner here. Yeah, this is perfect. And as you can see, this is the whole thing. I don't know if I took, probably it took me 4 minutes to do this. And another important thing I want to tell you is that you can always go ahead and fold this and glue it on the back, so you can have something like continuing from here there. But what I like to do is most of the time I cut that part. So let's cut this so we can have an clean edges here. And this is rounded, and that too, and this is okay. So this is the front, and I love it. I simply love it. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Now let's do the back. For the back, we can just go with a simple model, just one paper, or you just can build another collage. But I guess I'm going to go with this music paper here. And same way, let's apply glue the whole extension of the tag. And we can go with the paper, but actually this is a different tone for that. I prefer to go with this amazing texture here. This comes from a kid's book and I love it. So I can go here, or I can do probably two. Let's do it this way. So we can do one up, cut, and let's glue a second one so we can have it like so. It's almost the same height, so this is not a problem at all. So we can go here. I'm just taking advantage of these little places where the thread was in the book. And in the center, I can go with a tiny bit of gold, or I can go with thread, or I can just go with this piece here that belong to the same picture, and I can just glue it here. All right, this is really nice. I like that brown and pink coming out from there. All right. Awesome. So the last thing we need to do is to punch the hole again. So we can go here. And I'm using pink, probably pink, no, yellow. Yes, let's use yellow and brown, and that's going to be perfect. So let's finishing with this amazing touch of pink and brown. Oh, sorry, yellow and brown. And our first tag is ready. So if you want more episodes like this one, subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe just clicking this little button here in this corner with this nice picture, and then hit the bell. So I hope you subscribe, help me to grow this channel. And you can always visit my main channel, that is La Doctora de las Plantas, here in YouTube. And I teach you how to take care of your orchids and all your plants. So visit my main channel, La Doctora de las Plantas, and also subscribe to this channel. So my label is ready. And as you can see, just using something that we were going to throw away, we were able to make this amazing label. So I hope that you subscribe, leave me a comment, and also come back anytime here to my channel. I promise you, in my next episode, I'm gonna be using all this paper I got from the Dollar Tree. I see you soon, my friends. Bye-bye. Bye, friends. Bye-bye.